to turn you around to get you started on this way? You're doing it. Good job, Link. Good. Turn her around.
Push her, Link. Away.
Having fun, Ems?
Ems is just kind of like, let's share about this.
Yeah. Now you're getting her for a straight.
Look at him turning her around. Link, I'm so impressed.
Amazing. Yep, you can ride the other way now, huh?
Good job, Link. Oh, so cute. You need some help? No? Oh, he's got it. See, he loves it. This is a tough challenge. He can do it. Can you give Emily a hug?
Emily. Say thanks for the ride, Link.
Can you give her a hug? Okay, you just push her. She's going to push the buttons.
Put your feet back up on this thing. That one there. That one up. Oops. Okay. Ready. Oh.
You okay?
Say thank you.
Did she poke your eye?
Do it. Emily.
It's okay, love. She poked your eye. It's okay.
You need to be very gentle. Are we still